Go farther this time.
Brady ditched it. How do you make it zoom?
You have to do it before the video starts.
I know, but it won't let me. How do you do it?
Chase, go back in the water.
How do I do it though? How do I do it? Shelby, make it zoom.
Chase, go back in the water.
Let's go get him on the other side.
Wait, he's gonna go back in. He's going back in.
Yay, thank you.
Oh, can barely see him. Chase!
Where'd he go? Oh, Brady's.
Brady is so embarrassed right now. I think so. I should.
Is he gonna go tackle him?
Wait, Brady, push him over. Good job, Brady.
Push him over.
Good job, Brady.
Please.
Push him. Get him all wet. Brady, push him.
Please, Brady, push him.
No.
Will you do it for Christina?
No.
He said it. Well, hello, Christina.
He
He
did?
said that to you. Yeah, he said that to you.
When?
Wait, we'll give you $5 if you sit down.
Yeah, we will. Are you a pole dancer, Chase? Chase, sit down. Sit down in the water. Hi, Brady. Hi, Brady. Hi, Brady. Oh, he's getting out. Chase, sit in the water. Please, we'll give you $5.
Brady? Hi. Hi, Brady. Brady? Hi. Hi. What did he say?
I think he called you a creep. Oh, he's coming over here. Oh, go in the water, Chase. I don't laugh if he fell in. Brady's in there too.
Good job, Brady.
Clap. I almost dropped my phone.
This is funny.
Nice girl scream, Chase.
Wait, is it videotaping?
Yeah. It's been videotaping for like the past 4 minutes.
I'll give you my phone if you sit down.
In the water, Chase. No, now Chase, now you have to get your hair wet.
For my phone. You can have it if you do. Okay, come over here. Okay.
Hide in the bushes. Come on.